Good morning students, myself Renu Yadav and today I will teach you Science Class 3rd Chapter 7 Part 2 and the topic is Solids, Liquids and Gases. Children, in our last session we discussed about a very special term. What was that? Yes, it was matter. Okay? And what is matter? Anything and everything around you is matter, right? Or we can say that anything and everything that has weight and occupies space is called matter. And what are matter made up of? Matter is made up of molecules, right? And what are molecules? Molecules are the tiny particles. They are the ball-like structures which combine together to form a matter. Okay? In this session, we will be discussing about states of matter. Children, matter is in 3 states, okay? There are 3 states of matter. The first one is solids. Then we have liquids. And then gases. Okay? There are 3 states of matter: solids, liquids and gases. Now, are these made up of molecules? Yes, because these are matter. That's why they are made up of molecules, right? Now, first of all, we will discuss about solids. Solids is the first state of matter. Now children, the very first property of solid is that you can see it. Okay? The first thing is you can see solid. Alright, this is the first property of solid, that we can see it. Now, second, you can hold it. We can not only see solids, but we can hold them too. Okay? Solids can be seen and we can hold solids as well. Third is, they have a fixed shape. Okay? Solids have fixed shape. Their shape is fixed. And fourth one, they have a fixed volume. Okay? Solids have fixed volume. And last one, see, I told you that solids solids are made up of molecules, right? Because solid is a matter and matter are made up of molecules, right? Now we will discuss about the molecular arrangement of solid. And solids, liquids and gases have different kind of molecular arrangement. Okay? Now talking about solids, they have very little space between them. Okay? Solids molecular arrangement is that the molecules are very tightly packed. They are closely packed. Okay? Or we can also say that they have very little space between them. Now I will give you some examples of solid, like table, book, pen, etc. Alright, there are so many examples of solid. Now children, let us discuss these points. First thing is, you can see it. That means we can see solid. Now children, look at this pen. Okay, can you see it? Yes. What is the color of this pen? Blue, right? Blue with orange, right? That means we can see it. Okay, so is it a solid? Yes, we can see solid, therefore we can see it, therefore it is solid. Okay. Second is, we can hold it. Children, this is the pen. I am holding it. You try to hold your pen. You try to hold your pencil. Can you hold it? Yes. So, pen is also solid. Pencil is also solid. Alright. So, the second point, solids in solid is that we can hold it. That means we can hold the things which are solid. Alright. Now, the third one is they have a fixed shape. Children, the shape of this pen will remain like this only, right? It will not change, right? Therefore, we can say that this pen is having a fixed shape, right? We understand that solids have fixed shape. Now, I give you one more example of it. Suppose, see, this is a book. Now, what I am doing is, I am placing this book here, alright, and I am making the outline of it. Okay, so this is the outline of this book. First of all, I was able to do this. I was able to make this outline because it is having a fixed shape. If this book was not having any fixed shape, so I would not be able to draw this outline, right? So, solids have fixed shape and then they have fixed volume. See, every object has some weight, right? And their weight is also fixed. Okay? They have certain mass, they have certain volume. Okay? They have certain weight. Next is, have very little space between them. Children, solids are made up of molecules. Alright, now I will show you the molecular arrangement of solids. See, if we see it here, see, in our last session, I told you that solids, what are molecules? Molecules are tiny ball-like structures, right? So, we will draw molecules here. These ball-shaped structures are molecules. And now tell me, am I drawing these molecules? Near to each other or far from each other? Near to each other. Okay? These molecules are near to each other. Right? This shows that here the molecules are closely packed or they are tightly packed. This is the molecular arrangement of solid. Okay? The molecules of solids are very tightly packed. Alright, so what we have learnt today? We have learnt about the different states of matter. And what are the states of matter? Solids, liquids and gases. Now, talking about solids, we can see it, we can hold it. Solids have fixed shape, they have fixed volume and they have very little space between them. That means the molecular arrangement of solid is that they are tightly packed, they are closely packed to each other. And because the molecules are closely packed to each other, this gives solids a fixed shape. Okay? Because the molecules are closely connected to each other, or we can say they are tightly packed, or we can say that they do not have space between them. This gives solid a fixed shape. Okay children? With this, I end up today's session. Thank you.